From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Violet Skybour.
Good afternoon, everyone. Snow-covered grounds all across the region, seeing a widespread snow today. It's going to come to an end this afternoon, but we are expecting a heavy lake effect snow event to begin this evening. So taking a live look from our Cat Tower cam, even some peaks of sunshine this afternoon and just seeing a couple of light flurries. But we are seeing snow-covered grounds all across the region still as temperatures hover around freezing for the rest of the day. Taking a look from our New York State Mesonet cameras, white ground all across the region, a couple of inches pretty much everywhere. So give yourself extra time driving through this snow, but we're also dealing with gusty winds as well. Outside right now, how much snow is already on the ground from the snow that we've had this morning? 4 inches up in Boonville, 5.5 inches up in Old Forge, 3 inches out by Gray, and around a trace to 1 inch for the Mohawk Valley. Closer to 2 inches as we look back towards Lake Ontario. Now for the southern valleys, how much snow we have on the ground right now? Around 1 inch as we look towards Sauquoit, 2 inches for Springfield, 3 inches for Cooperstown and Hartwick, and 2 inches as we look towards Milford. And it's not going to stop there. We're going to have even more snow pile on tonight. A second round is going to arrive. But right now, just an advisory to warn you of. There's a winter weather advisory for Herkimer County still from right now until 4 p.m. But the main thing that we are watching is this lake effect snow warning. This is for the North Country. This begins 4 p.m. this evening until 7 a.m. Tuesday morning, and we're going to have some very heavy snow from that, but also some gusty winds. There's a high wind advisory until 7 p.m. this evening. Wind speeds around 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts around 50 miles per hour. So really be careful driving when you're out there. And we're also seeing a few light flurries as well, as you can see from our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 radar. These little flurries are leftover lake effect snow showers coming off of Lake Ontario as some cold air makes its way in. But we are watching a low pressure system that's further up to the north. That's going to be heading south in our direction, bringing once again the chance for snow as we look towards tonight. And this lake effect snow looks to be heavy. 3 to 6 inches, maybe even plus more than that in those very high spots in the North Country. A trace to 1 inch additional snowfall accumulation for the Mohawk Valley and 1 to 3 inches on top of what's already there in the southern valleys. So timing this out, dry for the middle of today. Snow arrives for this evening and continues into tonight. Temperatures hover right around the mid-30s all day today and into tonight as well. Then as we look towards Tuesday morning, the snow comes to an end with drier air towards Tuesday afternoon. So for this afternoon, highs in the mid-30s, windy with snow arriving as we look towards this evening. Then the snow piles on tonight with those breezy winds continuing, dropping down into the low 30s. Here's a look at the rest of your forecast. Snow for today, drying out on Tuesday, staying dry for the rest of the week, warming up into the lower 60s for the end of the week and into the weekend as well. We'll be right back.